So let us see a few questions and answers generally asked in interview and viva for data structures. So what are priority queues? Queues with certain priority. So a priority queue is a collection of elements such that each element has been assigned a priority. There is no difference between the queue which we know and this queue. Just it will have all members will have certain priority. What is a string? Second question is what is a string? Now this is a question which can be you can fit in C, C++ or any language and also in data structure. So a string basically is a sequential array of characters. Nothing but the characters. In certain language, this array is ended by /0. Basically in C actually. So what is a brute force algorithm and why it is used? Brute force algorithm, where it is used. Algorithm used to search the contents by just comparing each element of an array is called brute force algorithm. There are various, if data structure is asked, then you can use it because in debugging, software engineering debugging, we use brute force. Various brute force algorithms are there. So in terms of data structure, this is nothing but the sequential searching. What are the limitations of arrays? Arrays are the basic data structure. What are the limitations? First is arrays have fixed size. If you want to make an array, you have to tell the size a priori. Also, the data elements they are only stored in continuous memory location, which may or which may not be available always. If you have a large array, then there will be a problem. Adding and removing elements in array, if you want to add an element in between, you have to shift these elements here and there. So it's costly. Adding and removing, I will not say it's problematic, but it's expensive. Then also one more thing that the one which is not given here, the values which you place in this array are or they should be of equal nature or equal data type or same data type. You cannot have a varied data type in an array. Fifth is how can you overcome the limitation of array? Best is to use the linked list. What is linked list then? It is again a data structure which stores some kind of data elements, but not necessarily in continuous memory as it was with the array. Size is also not fixed. It can linked list can grow and it can shrink. And these are linked lists. They are related logically, not physically. What is a node? Now, if some tree questions have been asked, what is a node? But it comes in a linked list also. Node in linked list, node in our tree. So the data element of a linked list is nothing but a node, where normally in list you have this formation. You have data element part and the address to the next node. So what does node consist of? Node consists of two fields. One is your data field to store the element and the link field to store the address of the next node. That is how they are logically related. What is a queue? Queue, again, it is also a data structure like arrays and linked lists. So a queue is a sequential organization of data. A queue is or it follows first in first out type of data structure. The way you stand in a queue, the last person in will be the last person out, or the last person in with respect to the stack. If you compare it with the stack, in stack the last in will be the first out. Here in the queue, the last person will be the last out. So the queue is a sequential organization of data, and a queue is a first in first out. So if you change last to first, so first in will be the first out of data structure. So element is inserted in the last position as you are standing in a queue. The person who will come here, and the person who has come first, he will be relieved first. 10th is what are the types of collision resolution technique and the method used in each of the type. So this is open addressing, that is close hashing. The method used this include overflow and block. And close addressing for open hashing, the method used will be linked list and binary tree. What are the methods available in storing sequential files? You have straight merging, natural merging, polyfuzz sort, and distribution of initial runs. Mention some of the problem solving strategies, what they can be. So we have divide and conquer first. Second is binary doubling strategy, and then you have a dynamic programming. What is divide and conquer? The name suggests first divide and then conquer. Means to divide the problem into subproblems beyond which it cannot be subdivided further. Then you solve these subproblems efficiently and then you try to join them together to get the solution for the main problem. What is the need of the header? Why it is required? In a linked list, header is linking to the first element of the list. So it stores the number of elements in the list. It points to the first data element in the list. Rather, I will not say that it stores the number of elements, but it will. There has to be a start. So you will have a header, and it will have, or you can call it a root also. So it will have the address of the first node, because first node, every node has data part and address to the next one. So what about the first one? For that you have a header. Leaf. What a leaf? In a directed tree, any node which has out degree 0 is called a terminal node or a leaf. In a tree, if you formulate tree like this, the last node will be the tree leaf. What are the applications of binary tree? No, where there are various applications, you must know some of them. Data processing, for example. What are the different types of traversing? Pre-order, post-order, in-order. So there are three main types of traversing, which are logical route or main type of traversing. One of them is used to compute the expression also. Pre-order traversal, it yields prefix form of expression, in order in this infix form of expression, and post-order postfix form of expression. Define pre-order traversal. First we process the root. See, let me make it for you. This is root. This is root. This is left subtree and this is right subtree. Okay. So what we do in pre-order, first we process this root, then we process the left subtree, and then we process the right subtree. Post-order, first we go for the left subtree, then the right subtree, and then we process the root. In order means first we go for the left one, then we go to the root, and then the right subtree. In each of the cases, please witness that left and right will always be there. Left, right. It means you will not travel right first and go to left. Always you have a left and right, left and right. The root position is changing. In the pre-order, first root is here. In the post-order, root is here. In the in-order, root is in between. What is meant by sorting? Ascending, descending. So ordering the element in increasing and decreasing fashion according to some relationship among the data item is called the sorting. What is the major distinction in between storage structure and file structure, and how? Storage structure and file structure. The expression of specific data structure inside a memory of a computer system is termed as storage structure. You have a memory of a computer, then you have a specific data structure, and that expression is termed as storage structure. While the storage expression in auxiliary memory, not the system memory, but auxiliary memory is normally known as a file structure. 23rd, stack can be described as pointer. Explain. Can it be? Because stack will contain a header pointer which will always point to the top of the stack. The stack is like a bucket. There will always be some stack pointer or a header pointer will always point to the top of the stack. So all stack operations are done using this head pointer or stack pointer only. Hence, this stack can be described as a pointer. What do we mean by syntax error, logical error, runtime error? What is this? Syntax error means error due to the lack of knowledge in specific language. If you are not aware of this proper language, where to put semicolon, where to put braces, how to call pointers, it is due to somebody does not know how to use these features. We can all know the errors at the time of compilation only. Logical error is the poor understanding of the requirement of problem. You have made something which comes as 0 dividing by 0. This is a logical error. You are running out of the or going out of bounds of the array. Logical error. What a runtime error? The exception like 0. Logical error causes a runtime exceptions. So this is like dividing by 0, overflow and underflow. They all come under this runtime error. What is meant by DQ? DQ. Q you have known, but DQ is double-ended queue. So you have a queue. You can insert from here also. You can insert from here also. You can delete from here also. You can delete from here also. So it's abstract data structure ADT, abstract data type structure that implements a queue in which elements can be entered either in the front or rear, and the elements can be removed from either rear or front. It is also called as head-tail linked list. Head-tail linked list. What is avial tree? Avial is a self-binary tree. Important is it is a binary tree only, but with specific condition. It has a balancing factor which lie between -1 and 1. That is why if values become -1 and 1 for certain pivotal node, so it will balance itself. What is a binary tree? Binary tree is a tree which has maximum number of children, either 0, 1 or 2, like this. Either 1, either 2 or 0. These two you can leave apart. This can have 1, this can have neither of them. This can have 2, this can have neither of them. Or it can also have 1 or rather 2. So there is at most 2 branches in every node, at most. So it can have 0, 1 and 2. This is binary tree. What is the difference between a stack and a queue? There are a lot of difference. First is stack represents the collection of elements in last in first out, while queue it is first in first out. Operation in for stack, they include null stack, finding top of the element of the stack, removing the topmost element, adding elements in the top of the stack. While the operations in this queue is null queue, finding the next element, removal of the element, inserting the elements from the queue, and inserting of element is at the end of the queue in queue, and deletion is again also and always at the beginning of the queue. What actions are performed when the function is called? First, the arguments are passed. There are formal parameters, there are actual parameters, and the local variables are allocated and initialized while function is called, and then the transfer of control takes place to the function. What is precision? Precision is the accuracy of the decimal portion of a value, right? Precision is after decimal how many? So precision is the number of digits which are allowed after decimal. So 22.64. So precision is 2. What do you mean by overflow and underflow? When new data is to be inserted in a data structure but there is no available space, that is free storage list is empty, this situation is called as overflow. When we want to delete data from the data structure, that is empty. If you have no data you want to delete, that is underflow. So these were a few questions on data structure. Thank you so much. Take care.